Let us do one more problem based on heating of electrical machines. The question is, the initial temperature of a machine is 40 degrees Celsius. Calculate the temperature of the machine after 1 hour if its final steady temperature rise is 80 degrees Celsius and the heating time constant is 2 hours. The ambient temperature is given as 30 degrees Celsius. So we have to calculate the temperature of a machine after 1 hour from its starting. So it is given that initial temperature of the machine is 40 degrees Celsius. It is the initial temperature. So we have defined our theta I as initial temperature rise. So here initial temperature is given. So we have to calculate the value of theta I. And theta I is the temperature rise above the ambient medium. Ambientinekkalum etra kooduthalanennulladu. So in order to get theta I, we have to subtract the ambient temperature from the initial temperature of the machine. So initial temperature rise theta I will be equal to 40 degrees Celsius minus 30 degrees Celsius, which is equal to 10 degrees Celsius. So this is the initial temperature rise. എപ്പോഴും ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ റൈസ് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ആംബിയന്റിനേക്കാളും എത്ര കൂടുതലാണ്. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് തീറ്റ ഐ. സോ ഓൾ വാല്യൂസ് ആർ temperature rises. We have already discussed this. Theta m, theta I, theta, all values are temperature rises. So here temperature of the machine is given, initial temperature. So in order to calculate the initial temperature rise, we have to find the difference between that temperature and the ambient temperature. So theta I, we got it as 10 degrees Celsius. Now calculate the temperature of the machine after 1 hour. So we have to calculate the temperature of the machine at a particular instant of time. And the final steady temperature rise is 80 degrees Celsius. So final steady temperature rise means theta m. Theta m is given as 80 degrees Celsius. And the heating time constant is 2 hours. So what is heating time constant? Th. Th is equal to 2 hours. And we have to calculate temperature of the machine after 1 hour. So we know the equation for calculating the temperature rise at each instant of time. And that equation was theta is equal to theta m into 1 minus e raised to minus t by th plus theta I into e raised to minus t by th. So on substituting the value of all the variables, we can calculate the value of temperature rise. So let us substitute the values. So we have theta m as 80 degrees Celsius. So 80 into 1 minus e raised to minus t. So we have to calculate the temperature of the machine after 1 hour. So substitute t as 1 divided by th. The heating time constant is 2 hours plus theta I 10 degrees Celsius into e raised to minus 1 by 2. So when you calculate this, you will get the answer as 37.54 degrees Celsius. So what is theta? The temperature rise of the machine at each instant t. But in the question, it is being asked to calculate the temperature of the machine after 1 hour. This is the temperature rise. Now we have to calculate the temperature of the machine after 1 hour. So how will you calculate the temperature? So we have the temperature rise. Temperature rise means temperature above the ambient medium. Ambient temperature nekkalum etra kooduthalundi ennu namukku ariyam. So in order to calculate the total temperature of the machine, we have to add the temperature rise to the ambient temperature. So the temperature of the machine after 1 hour will be the ambient temperature plus the temperature rise, 37.54 degrees Celsius. The answer will be 67.54 degrees Celsius. So this is the temperature of the machine. Temperature കിട്ടണമെങ്കിൽ ambient temperatureനോട് temperature rise ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം. Temperature rise denote ചെയ്യുന്നത് എന്താ? Ambient temperatureനേക്കാളും എത്ര കൂടുതലാണെന്നുള്ളത്. So in order to get the total temperature, we have to add the temperature rise to the ambient temperature. So this is how we can calculate the temperature of the machine.